This 2026 Keystone Montana High Country 295RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features a Arlington interior, sleeps 6, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, skylight, spare tire kit, smoke detector, external shower, air conditioning, slide-out, oven, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Montana High Country 295RL is 11,595 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.